हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम गिविंग डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्या at Women's University Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of research. Today topic is paradigm. A paradigm is a distinct set of concept or thorough pattern including theory, research methods, postulates, and standard for what constitutes legitimate contribution of a field. A scientific paradigm is a framework containing all the commonly accepted view about a subject, convention about what direction research should take and how it should be performed. Paradigm shift tends to appear in response to the accumulation of critical irregularity as well as the proposal of a new theory with the power to cover both older relevant data and explain relevant variants. New paradigm tends to be most of dramatic in sign that appear to be stable and mature. As in physics, at the end of the 19th century, at that time, a statement generally attributed to physicist Lord Kelvin claimed there is nothing new to be discovered in physics now. All that remains is more and more precise measurement. Albert Einstein published his paper on special relativity, which challenged the set of rules laid down by Newtonian mechanism, which had been used to describe force and motion for over 200 years. In this case, new paradigm reduces the old to a special case in the sense of Newton mechanism. Is still a good model for approximation for speed that are slow compared to the speed of light. Many philosophers and historians of science, including Kohn himself, ultimately accepted a modified version of Kohn model, which synthesizes his original view with gradual models that preceded it. Kohn's original models is now generally seen as too limited. Kohn pointed out that it could be difficult to assess whether a particular paradigm shift had actually led to progress. In, in the sense of explaining more facts, explaining more important facts, or providing better explanation, because the understanding of more important, better it is. Change with the paradigm, the two versions of reality are thus conversion is important psychological dimension. This is apparent from the analogy between paradigm shift and the flip over involved in some optical isolation.